MMB Max CarPlay AI box for BMW 2025. The ultimate Android upgrade you didn't know you needed. Ever feel stuck with your BMW's outdated infotainment, struggling through clunky menus, slow apps, and spotty connectivity? That frustration hits when your tech can't keep up with your lifestyle. Wasted time fumbling through interfaces, lag killing your vibe, and zero motivation to even use your car's screen. It's like having a sports car with training wheels. You deserve smooth, seamless control with lightning-fast responsiveness, not tech that blocks your focus or leaves you offline when you need it most. Crushing deadlines while stuck on the road? Stress mounts when your navigation lags, streaming buffers, or Bluetooth randomly drops calls mid-drive. That creeping burnout feels real when your car's tech can't handle the multitasking demands of modern life. Missed calls, endless buffering, or searching for offline maps in a connected world. These annoying disruptions add up, turning your driving experience from relaxing to downright infuriating. If your infotainment isn't delivering, you're missing out on productivity and peace of mind. Meet the MMB Max CarPlay AI box for BMW 2025, the ultimate game-changer running Android 13 with a powerhouse 8-core processor, 8 GB RAM, and 128 GB storage. This sleek multimedia box plugs right into your BMW iDrive, compatible with versions 6 through 8.5, delivering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even Android OS all in one with one-touch switching. Stream Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Hulu, and more in stunning 4K. Stay connected with built-in 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, and SGM/TF card support, plus GPS navigation that never quits. Say goodbye to sluggish menus and hello to instant, silky smooth infotainment. Why are BMW owners raving about the MMB Max CarPlay AI box? Because it delivers a laser-focused, next-level experience that transforms your car into a smart, connected powerhouse. Users love the seamless integration with BMW's original controls and the smooth, responsive touchscreen. The combo of Android 13 OS and the latest Qualcomm QCM 6125 chip keeps everything buttery smooth, while the massive 128 GB storage means you can download offline maps, apps, and movies without a second thought. One happy driver shared. Installed in my 2018 5 Series. Wireless CarPlay connects instantly, Netflix streams flawlessly, and the GPS is dead-on accurate. The modular setup and plug-and-play design mean no tech headaches, just pure driving pleasure with upgraded connectivity and entertainment. Ready to ditch laggy infotainment and upgrade your BMW's brain? Don't wait. Secure your MMB Max CarPlay AI box today. Limited stock means the smartest drivers are already leveling up their rides. Join thousands who've transformed their driving with lightning-fast Android 13, wireless CarPlay, and streaming on the go. This is your chance to bring the future to your BMW with ease and style. Click buy now and let your car finally match your drive.